y'all, welcome back. I know I've been MIA, but I'm here now, y'all. I had to take a break. I had to take a break. I had a long summer. It was just crazy. But this is gonna be part 2 to how to interpret your candle. Because I've been getting a lot of questions on, hey, girl, my candle's still black. I got bugs coming around my candle. That could be insects, spiders, bugs, period, okay? How can I protect my candle? Like, why is this happening? I got my wick is burning this type of way. It's just, girl, it's a lot. So I'm gonna go over a quick tip with you right now, because y'all had to come back in with this. I couldn't just come back in giving y'all a sad story, long story. Like, y'all, honey, y'all don't care. Like, girl, give me the information, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that right now. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out part 1 of how to interpret your candle. There, I just go over the meaning of the black soot, white soot, whatever. I'll touch on that a little bit here, but first, let me go over how to add some extra protection to your candle first. Let's do that first, okay? So, I'm gonna take these 2 candles to use as an example. So just say this is your main candle, okay? This is your main candle right here. And it burns black or soot, or you got bugs around it or something like that, you can do this, okay? Or if you buy this candle right here, the first thing you want to do, if you just buying regular candles out of stores and you're doing it yourself, you want to clean your candle first. Okay, I made a video right here. Go check out that video on how to clean your candle. I'll recap real quick right here. Pine salt number 1, then ammonia. That's how I was taught. Some people use bottled water, but that's at the bottom of the list. Number 1, pine salt, then ammonia. So make sure that you clean your candle first. And if you buy like my already dressed candles and stuff like that, they already come sealed, cleansed. You ain't got to worry about it. But if you're at home and you're doing your own stuff and you buy them out of the store, make sure you clean your candle first. That is number 1. Because so many people touching, you could be picking up other negativity, customers coming in touching. So you just want to have it cleared out of the way, okay? So you're going to take your main candle right here, and you're going to add some reinforcement, okay? So what you want to do is get some sea salt, of course, sea salt, plain sea salt, Morton. Not this table salt, Morton, okay? It's a video right there if you want to know what to do with these. This is a great barrier, but it's not for this, what we're doing right here, okay? So you want to take this and just make a ring of it around your candle. And I'm going to take the camera down so you can see. I have some little herbs and I'm going to take that out. I don't need that. Just the plain salt, okay? Just plain salt. And I'm just making and this is just going to create a barrier just to keep your candle protected. Okay, keep out of negativity away, and as your candle is burning, it might come up against opposition. I don't know, everybody's situation is different, so it might have to fight a little. It might have to fight a little harder. So we just gonna help it out. All right, I'm gonna take the candle. I mean the camera down a little bit. Okay, so I just created a barrier for my candle. I hope y'all can see that. Just make a complete circle around your candle, no breaks. And remember, it's plain. I just was using this salt because it's something, I was doing something else with it. This is just for an example. Something else you can do too is also include a white candle like this right here in a jar, any kind of glass jar. Just make sure that you only use it for your candle work. Don't use it for anything else. So just clean it out and use that and fill it with regular tap water is fine. Don't need no special water. Tap water is fine, okay? And these 2 are just reinforcers. They are going to absorb the negativity. Any opposition is going to help your candle out, okay? It's like giving your candle some arms, okay? And it doesn't matter how you place them. However your spirit leads you to place them, that's what you do. So you can do it like this. Like, hey, they backing. You can put them on the side. However you want to do it, okay? Or if you feel like you just want to do, and you don't have to do the salt each time. Most of the time, the white candle and this water will be enough, okay? And the salt is just going to come in for extra protection if you need that. So yeah, you can just place them like this right here. Okay, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. And then you can do the pink Himalayan salt. This kind of salt, you're just gonna do the same, but not for this type of candle. This will be more for, like, if you're doing self-love work or more grounding work. That's what this salt will be for. You can do that. So yeah, so now I'm gonna get into some examples of what your candle may look like. Okay, so if you get your candle like this, just say, hey, I keep burning, and I get it like this. It goes all the way down, halfway. It don't matter. If you see black, you gotta reburn, period, okay? Now, this is where it got a little trickier, where I gotta go a little bit more into detail with the white candle, with the white soot, I mean. When the soot is thick like this, you need to redo it because it's still kind of foggy, okay? But if you got like a candle, it's like a white ring at the top, that's okay, and it's clear the rest of it. I would start there, that's fine. But even if you got one like this, see how it goes foggy, then it's clear? I would redo this. And right here, if you ever get one with the white soot and the black, I hope y'all can see that. You definitely still want to redo that. So, and listen to your intuition, like your spirit as well too. Your candle is going to let you know if you need to reburn it or not. I don't care whether you experienced or not. You can look at that and tell, hey, I feel like I need to redo this. Okay? So if the white soot is thick, you definitely need to redo. Okay? Because the ultimate goal is we want a clear candle. We want a clear burn like this. Okay? Another question I got was, what does it mean if I have wax at the bottom? To me, like I said, now this is to me. That means absolutely nothing to me. Okay? Because the wick plays a part in this and the wax. With this particular brand, I always have wax at the bottom. Always. But with the Vision brand candles, like the traditional 7-day, I've never have any wax at the bottom. Never. They always burn all the way down. Okay? So, and two, this was another brand that wax was at the bottom. It's the wax and the wick that they use. Okay? And again, on this one, you see how it goes from green to brown? Again, this is the wax or the dye. Probably some kind of dye that they were using. Because I had a purple candle do this as well. I wouldn't pay too much attention to this. But hey, that's me. But again, this is just a dye issue to me right there. Okay? Also, these are Dollar Tree candles. Okay? I got a lot of questions about the rings. Usually when I'm burning the traditional Vision candles, traditional 7-day candles, I don't get rings. That's very rare that I get those. But on this one, on these Dollar Tree candles, you'll get them a lot. Because these candle wax have a lot of air in it. Excuse me, but traditionally the ring means it gives you like a timeline of how things are going to happen. But I don't read the rings. I don't go by that. Definitely not with the Dollar Tree candles, okay? But if you're in a bind and you need the Dollar Tree candle, that's cool. Your intention is all that matters. But 2 of these will equal 1 Vision candle. So it's like, because these burn maybe 3 days. I think 3 days. So if you had to go this route, I would get 2 of whatever color you're working with. Because 2 equals 1 of these. 2 Dollar Trees equals 1 of these, okay? I think that is it, y'all. If y'all have any other questions, let me know below, and I'll try to answer them like I did in the other video. I appreciate everything. I appreciate y'all still shopping the website, visiting the website, liking my video. Make sure y'all go ahead and like the video. Like the video, okay? I appreciate all of it. Whatever platform you watch me on, I appreciate you reposting my videos, liking my videos. I appreciate all the new subscribers, because this channel has been kind of like on autopilot for a little minute, but we cranking it back up. And I am gonna make another video, because I've been making changes like to the business, revamping it, getting back to the original vision of why I started this channel, and I just know it's gonna be some change. You know, it's gonna be a little profanity used here and there. So I think this is gonna be your time where you decide, hey, I'm gonna keep riding with her, or I got to go, SBL. It was nice knowing you. But yeah, we definitely ready to go in a different direction with the channel. And I'm just gonna be focused more on teaching. You know, just more teaching on this channel. And the people that did my request, not my request, but sent in requests for different videos, I still got them. And I'm still going to make those videos. One was breaking generational curses. The other one was, I think it was something like a job or something. But I got everything written down. And another one with my testimony with using songs. So I'm going to work on all 3 of those. And there's some more to them I'm going to work on. But those were the top 3 that's been waiting a minute, okay? If you have any other requests that you want me to work on, just put it below. Also, if you have questions and you don't feel comfortable with putting it over here, go to the website and just put it in the get in touch box, like the contact us. Put your question over there, okay? I had one lady who was asking me a question. I was telling her, ma'am, go over there. She probably thought I was trying to tell her something. Girl, I can't answer everything over here. Take it over there, okay? Let's move it off of this and go over to my website. So yeah, if y'all have any questions and you don't feel comfortable asking it here, go over there. And if I can't answer it, I'm gonna tell you I can't answer it, okay? But yeah, y'all go ahead and like this video. Like it. And just be on the outlook for new great content. And again, I appreciate all of you guys.